concerning the network issue that is going on in Ghana and other parts of Africa. Now, if you want to have the best internet connectivity, I mean the fastest internet connectivity, unless you are connected to VPN, and there are lots of VPN in the system that you can be connected to, but the most effective one is what I'm going to let you know. And if you are in Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, or any part of Africa, you are experiencing this poor network connectivity, you have to download this VPN from Google Play Store. Okay, so the name of the VPN is XVPN, as you can see it on the screen. So when you download the VPN and install the VPN, the only setting that you have to do is that you change the auto to UDP. You change the auto to UDP and you just connect it, and you have the fastest network connectivity. Just try this and let me see in the comment section if you are able to do it. Let me just see it in the comment section. As the name goes, here's the Talk Tech. If you like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech. That is the talk of the tech.